Are you on your way to Baguio?
Can you see Abby? Oh, she's in the car.
Yeah. You guys have the same haircut.
Who?
I didn't know we have the same.
Abby.
And?
And you.
What? I'm shorter than Abby's.
Yeah, your hair is shorter. Okay, let's wait for the rest, alright? So where have you been yesterday? Huh? Alex. You were absent.
Because I was in the pool. I was on like my daddy's friend's resort. We swim, and then because we were I was absent because I slept so late because they were doing something and then we weren't doing anything. That's why I was absent. My mommy told me.
I see.
Because it's very far. The resort is very far. So when we do school, on our way home, when we're gonna do school, it's gonna be very late on our way home. That's why I was absent.
I see. That's why you were
And
absent.
I had to go early. Very early, at 6:30.
Also, Pyron is gone yesterday. What happened to Pyron? Pyron? Yeah.
Why was he gone?
He was absent yesterday.
Maybe he had no internet teacher.
Maybe it's like Roblox.
Are you playing Roblox yesterday, Pyron? Huh? Ala, Pyron is not answering.
Maybe
I'm still waiting, teacher. That is why.
What do you mean still waiting?
Like when you're gonna go, you have to wait. Like the bus loading.
Really?
Loading.
it's loading.
Right.
It's not here.
Like a long time ago, teacher internet was off and then we were all waiting.
I see.
And we were
If you were waiting, I should have accepted your request, Pyron.
Loading, internet, teacher.
Loading the internet. Same with Seth.
Ikaw ron. Hindi siya mutingog eh.
Are you shy, Pyron?
No, but I'm still waiting.
What do you mean waiting? Waiting for what?
It's still loading.
Oh.
Teacher Diana, are we gonna do a review or a test or a class?
We're going to have a review today. Still review. Okay. So today we're going to have item analysis for the test items that we answered last week. Okay. So take a look at here. Can you see my screen now?
Yes.
Okay. So this time I want you to prepare your whiteboard, please. If you don't have, use the chat box. Then write numbers 1 to 10. Aldez, where is your whiteboard, Aldez? Aldez?
Aaron.
All right, so let's start. Okay, you have here number 1. What is the water cycle? What is the water cycle? A, when water melts and it goes down to the stream. B, when clouds form and it moves from east to west, providing waters on the ground. C, the movement of water on, above, or below the surface of the earth. So what is the water cycle? Okay, some choices are actually tricky, but you have to understand, right? Next, number 2. What part of water cycle does this picture show? This one, look at. What part of water cycle is this? A, condensation. B, evaporation. Or C, precipitation.
Easy.
I remember two already.
Yes. Next. Number 3. Which of these is an example of precipitation?
Which one? Oh.
A, snow. B, vapor. Or C, clouds.
Mm,
Okay, are you finished answering?
Yes.
yep.
If you're done, can you please click the raise button?
Huh? There's no raise button.
Raise hand. There is.
Oh, you mean that?
Or the thumb mark. Yeah, thumb mark is better.
Yeah, teacher, just like this. What do you mean, teacher?
When we're done answering, we just have to raise our emoji.
Yes, the thumb mark emoji. Okay, next. Number 4. Okay, number 4. What is the next stage after evaporation in the water cycle? A, condensation. It's not condensation. B, groundwater. Or C, precipitation. What is the next stage after evaporation in water cycle?
Done.
Okay, if you are done, that's what I said. Just click thumb mark. All right. Next. Number 5. What picture water cycle does this picture show? So look at this one. What type of stage in water cycle is this? A, condensation. B, evaporation. Or C, precipitation. Are you all finished?
Yeah. I'm finished.
I'm finished.
Okay, next. Number 6. What is the energy source of the water cycle? What is the energy source of the water cycle? A, sun, B, earth, or C, water? What's the energy source of the water cycle? A, sun, B, earth, or C, water? Are you finished? Okay, next. Number 7. During which stage do clouds form? During which stage do clouds form? So what stage do you think it is when the clouds are formed? A, condensation, B, evaporation, or C, precipitation? Okay, next. Which stages does liquid water from the ocean turn into water vapor? Which stages or which stage does liquid water from the ocean turn into water vapor? A, condensation, B, evaporation, or C, precipitation? Which stage wherein it turns into water vapor?
White, 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 white,
Okay, number 9. Snow, sleet, hail, and rain are all examples of A, evaporation, B, precipitation, or C, condensation? Snow, sleet, hail, and rain are all examples of blank. A, evaporation, B, precipitation, or C, condensation? Are you done?
Yes.
Okay, next, number 10. So when water blank dew forms, what do you think is it? A, condenses, B, evaporates, or C, precipitates? So when water blank, it form dew like this. Water dew. A, condenses, B, evaporates, or C, precipitates? Okay. So let's answer. Who wants to answer number 1?
Me.
Okay, Zach, can you please read and answer?
What is water cycle? A, when water melts and it goes down to the stream. B, when clouds form, it moves from east to west, providing water on the ground. C, the movement of the water on the above or below the surface of Earth. C.
Okay, the correct answer is letter.
C.
Is it C?
C. Letter C.
Letter. Is it C?
No, oh, it's not C, it's B.
Okay, so it's actually letter B. Okay, so it's letter B. Providing waters on the ground. Okay, next. Number 2.
Number 2, Johan. What part of the water cycle does the picture show?
Condensation.
It's
Okay,
condensed
number 2.
the picture.
Okay, Johan. Let's have Johan. Can you please read and answer, Johan?
What part of the water cycle does this picture show? Condensation.
Mm-hmm. Exactly. Okay, so the answer is condensation. It is a process wherein the clouds are formed. Next, number 3. Let's have Seth.
Which of these is an example of precipitation? Clouds.
Precipitation.
Ice snow.
Okay, the answer is snow. Right? Precipitation is when it starts raining, snowing. Okay. Next, number 4. Number 4, let's have Abby.
Okay. What is the next stage of
After
evaporation in water cycle? A. Condensation. B. Groundwater. Or C. Precipitation. C.
So the next form of evaporation is next stage. Is it C, precipitation? What's next to evaporation? Remember, evaporation is when the water turns into gas. So what's next?
Oh.
When the water turns into gas, it goes up. And when it goes up,
Condense.
yes, the clouds are formed. So the answer is condensation. Okay. Next to evaporation is condensation. Next, number 5. Let's have Sean.
Okay. What part of the water cycle does this picture show? The answer is evaporation.
Okay, you have evaporation. Don't forget to check your answers, all right? Next, number 6. Number 6, let's have Eliza.
The water.
Is that Eliza? Where's Eliza? No, not here. Okay, let's have Natalia.
What is the energy source for the water cycle? A. Sun. B. The earth. C. The water. A.
The water, the sun, or the earth?
A. Sun.
What is the energy source of the water cycle?
A. The sun.
The sun. Why it's the sun?
Yeah, because it has an energy source of the sun inside. Energy source that will come back to the sun.
I thought it's water.
That's how the energy
My
source of
answer
the
is the sun.
Yeah.
It's water. It's the sun. The water.
The sun, because the sun provides heat,
Teacher, my answer is the sun.
energy. Okay, the sun provides heat, energy. It helps the water form into gas, from vapor, from liquid to gas, and then formed into a cloud, which is the condensation. Okay, so the answer is the sun, right? Next, number 7. Aldes.
Yes. During which state do clouds form? My answer is condensation.
Exactly. Okay, so it is condensation. Number 8. Number 8, let's have
Which? Oh, no.
okay, let's have Alex.
Liquid.
Liquid.
Water.
You're on mute, Alex.
Water. Which stage does liquid water from the ocean turn into water vapor? My answer is A. Condensation.
Okay, so the answer is
A.
condensation.
Station.
Look at here. Which stages does liquid water from the ocean turns into water vapor? Wait. Water vapor, Alex. Condensation, evaporation, or precipitation?
Evaporation.
The answer is evaporation. Okay. Liquid water from the ocean turn into water vapor. Next, number 9. Okay, number 9. Let's have Pyron. Pyron? Pyron is not answering.
Huh?
Read and answer.
No sleep. Hail and rain are all examples.
Of? What's your answer?
I'm still waiting. I'm still loading.
Little teacher.
I'm still waiting, teacher. Because it's still loading. The whole
Loading?
time. Yeah, in my screen.
Still waiting, teacher.
Oh, I see.
That is why.
Maybe because of the internet. If the internet is so slow, tendency is you will only have black screen.
Oh, we cannot see good.
Wait, what?
Okay.
No,
Okay,
not
so
see,
let's proceed to Rizel. Okay, Rizel, can you please read and answer?
Daddy, naunsa na internet,
Hail and rain are all examples of precipitation.
teacher. Can I answer
Huh?
this for Pyron because he is always like
Yeah.
Teacher, sabi.
Okay, the answer is precipitation for number 9.
page, check, it's still loading. 9.
Okay. Maybe you should try rebooting your Wi-Fi, Pyron. Okay.
Rebooting.
Rebooting your Wi-Fi router
Oh.
later.
What
Next.
Later lang. Pakira man.
Okay,
Maybe
next.
later.
Let's have number 10.
Here.
Adrian.
What happened?
Adrian.
When water blends to forms C.
So what is it? Condense, evaporates, or precipitate?
C.
When water blank dew forms.
C.
Okay, the correct answer is actually letter A. Okay. So A, it's because it is the moment when the clouds are formed, right? And then the clouds starting to produce when the clouds are in the process from gas to liquid, the dew forms are already there. Okay, so it's there already. So this stage, we're in the mist or the dew, is actually under condenses, right? So you have here 10 items. Let's see who got 10 over 10. Who got 10 over 10?
Not me.
How about 9?
Me, I got
I
9.
got 9.
I got 9. I got 9, teacher.
What's the wrong item? Number.
Number 1.
My wrong item is number 3.
Number
My wrong
3.
item is number 3.
I
My wrong item is number 3.
Number 3. Okay. Number 1. How about the rest?
I got 8, teacher. I got
Okay,
8.
who got
I got 7
8?
over 10. 8. I got 7.
7.
8. Me. I got 8.
6.
Oh, what
Who got 6?
got 7.
Who got 6? 5. 4. 3. 0. Who got 0?
Nobody.
Okay, you know the passing score, right?
Yes.
Passing
7.
score is 7.
7.
Yes, 7. So if you're above 7, you pass. Okay?
Yay.
9 over 10.
Okay, so I guess that's it for today in our review. Let's say goodbye now and see you later after.
Filipino Odyssey.
Yes.
And then we're gonna ready. Hey, Uno. Bye.
Goodbye, everyone.
Bye.